that government intervention often just makes matters worse and practically always makes them more expensive. The solution, as I'm sure you already sense, is not more government intervention, not government controls to try to clamp a lid on the cost. The government's own expenditures are forever driving up. The Kennedy-Corman bill would turn over the control of medical care in America to the same government that gave us the Postal Service, Amtrak, and the swine flu program, and make us pay for it the way we pay for Social Security, by an ever-increasing payroll tax backed by a general increase in the income taxes of everybody still healthy enough to work. The problem of rising medical costs is a real problem. Thanks to the wonderful advances in medical science in recent years, medical care is inevitably more expensive than it used to be. In addition, unfortunately, the government, by pumping enormous sums of money into the system on terms that actually rewarded wastefulness, has made the situation infinitely worse than it would otherwise be. And that is exactly why the Kennedy-Corman bill is not the solution to the problem. It's a relic of the days when people thought that the quick and easy solution to almost any problem was to turn it over to the government. In recent years, we have learned the hard way